evening to all. Good evening, Tarak. Good evening, good evening. Good evening. Oh, Yashwant. Good. Good evening, Akanksha. Today I want to discuss with you about pre-board 3 paper. Good evening, good evening. Akanksha, just place a message in the group that class already started. Pindi, good evening. Ishan, Parashar, Ishan, Abraham and Dipaida Ishan. So you have very less time. You have to be serious. 482. 482 is the school highest till now. I want this batch must get more than that one. $482 because means I want you to get at least 485, 88 like that, at least 90. You have to be serious. Good evening, Akhil. So everyone, take out the question paper. Take out the question paper. Everyone, pre-board 3 question paper. 16th, when you come 16th, I will give you the papers. Not only me, all the subjects they will give you. So how many of you feel that you are going to get more than pre-board 3, pre-board 2? Whatever you got in pre-board 2, more than that one I will get this time. How many of you feel like that? I got to hear that paper is lengthy. Some of you are saying that to Madhumati ma'am, paper is lengthy, you are not able to complete. Ishan, Paida, how many questions you left? Or you wrote everything? No answers. Sampath is there in the class. Sanvi, Unisha, Charmi, Neha Devi, Meghana, good evening. Good evening, Sanvi. How many questions you left? Or you wrote everything? Okay. Except graph, I attempted everything. Sir, graph question, okay. In statistics, sir? Graph in statistics? Statistics graph नहीं है ना? There is no graph in statistics. Linear equation will be available. Only in that chapter graph is there. Good evening. Case question. Case study. Hula hoop. Hoopla game. Is it on hoopla game? be a linear equation in two variables. Good evening, Ajishta. Aishant is not there in the class. Okay. So first question. Which term of the given AP 2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 7 is negative 40? Which term of the given AP 2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 7 is negative 40? Answer is 15. A. Option A. Answer is 15. Option A. So today I think this paper will not be completed, but tomorrow by 11 o'clock the discussion on this paper will be done, and everyone has to give me the expectation marks tomorrow. Now note down the answers and verify or compare with your answers. Tomorrow after ending of the class you need to give your expectation marks on this. Okay children? See, expecting marks is a good habit now. How much you are expecting, where you are, means what are your weak areas and what are your strong areas, you have to know now. This is the time to know it. So strong areas you don't need to prepare, but weak areas you have to concentrate. So comparison is must, verification is must. Not only that, expectations is also must. So after listening to the answers of all the questions of this paper, you need to give me your expectation marks, and not only that, you need to tell me in which area you are weak. Geometry, algebra, trigonometry, whatever it may be, which area you are weak in that area, what help that I can do, I'll do that one. Okay na? Now first question answer A, option A. Second question answer is also option A. Second question is also option A, because easy question only. Length of tangent drawn from a point, a circle of radius 7 centimeters. Given the distance from the center of the circle is 25. You need to apply Pythagoras theorem. Option A. First question 1 option A, question 2 is also option A. Third question. 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30. 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30, which is nothing but tan 2a. There is a formula. Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Is it 1 plus tan square a? Yeah, 1 plus tan square a. 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay na? Instead of a is given 30 degrees. 30 degrees. So 2 tan 30 is nothing but 2 by root 3. 1 plus tan square 30 is nothing but 1 by 3. So 2 by 3 by 4 by 3. 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. Root 3 times. So root 3 by 2 is left over. Root 3 by 2 left over. So root 3 by 2 cos 30 cos 60 tan 60 sin 30 obviously cos 30. So third question is also option A. Third question is also option A. Question 1 option A. Question 2 is also option A. Question 3 is also option A. Okay children. Question 4. If P is a common root of the equation mp square plus mx plus 3 is equal to 0, p square plus p plus n is equal to 0. P is equal to 1 is a common root of the equation mp square plus mx plus 3 is equal to, I think it is not mx, I think it is mp. It is not mx, it is mp. Question చూస్తే మీకే తెలుస్తుంది. x అయినా పర్వాలేదు, ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు. mp. Then the value of mn he is asking me. P is a common root. So m into 1 square plus m into 1 plus 3 is equal to 0. 1 square plus 1 plus n is equal to 0. So m plus n plus 3 is equal to 0. And here n is equal to negative 2. Here n is equal to negative 2. Keep here m plus negative 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. So m plus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal to negative 1. M is equal to negative 1. N is equal to negative 2. He is asking about Mn. So negative 1 into negative 2, positive 2. Did I wrote any mistake? Oh, in the end, this is the end. Sorry, this is yum. So one change. Instead of yum and ready. So 2m plus 3 is equal to 0. 2m is equal to negative 3. M is equal to negative 3 by 2. Now mn is equal to negative 3 by 2 into negative 2. 3. Mn is 3. Option B. Option B. Question number 5. HCF of 81 and 237 equal to, what is the HCF? 81, 237, what is the HCF? Anyone? HCF. Only 3 people are giving answers. HCF of 81 and 237 is equal to 3, right. Next question. Cosecant theta minus cot theta 1 by 2. Then what is the value of cosecant theta plus cot theta? Cosecant theta minus cot theta is given 1 by 2. He is asking about cosecant theta plus cot theta. Anyone? Cosecant theta minus cot theta is given as 1 by 2. He is asking about cosecant theta plus cot theta. How much it will be? Anyone? Okay. Just listen to me carefully. See, Meghana 2, Ishan 2. Very good. 2 is the answer. Why 2? Why 2? That's the reason I am explaining it now. Why 2 means if you observe these two expressions, a minus b, a plus b, is that right? When we multiply them, what do you get? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta, which is 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. That means when we are multiplying the LHS part, when we are multiplying the LHS part, we are getting 1. So as we need to get 1 when we multiply RHS part also. So 1 by 2 into how much is 1? 2. Cosecant theta minus cot theta into cosecant theta plus cot theta is 1. Cosecant theta minus cot theta into cosecant theta plus cot theta is 1. We know that clearly from identity cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. In the same way, when we multiply RHS part, we need to get 1, na? We need to get 1. So 1 by 2 into how much is 1? 2. So answer is 2. That's all. Just brain, calculating in the brain, that's all. No need to do, even no need to use the pen also. Now, question number 7. A quadratic polynomial whose zeros are -2 and 3. Zeros are given. Zeros are given -2, 3 are the zeros. -2 or 3 is the zeros. Then take one as alpha, the other one as beta. And we know the formula. X square plus minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is the formula to find out the polynomial when its zeros are given. When its zeros are given. Okay, na? Zeros are given, we need to find out the quadratic formula. This is the formula. Find out. Children, remember this one. Now, insert the values. X square minus alpha plus beta into x. That is 1 into x. And alpha into beta, -6. To simplify, minus x minus 6. That's all. X square minus x minus 6. So option number 1, that is A. 1A, 2A, 3A, 4B, 5A, 6C, 7A, 8th question. 8th question. See here. Root 2x minus root 3y is equal to 0. Root 5x plus root 2y is equal to 0. What he is asking? He is asking the common solution. What is the value of x and y? What is the value of x and y? Children, answer is 0, 0. Ela 0, 0 ante మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే there is no constant term in both the equations. There is no constant term in both the equations. ఇక్కడ లేదు, ఇక్కడ no constant. General form ఏంటి? a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are pair of equations general form. If you observe the given equations, c1, c2 are missing. Constants are missing. So, such type of equations, they will pass us through origin. Both equations will pass us through origin. Means their common solution is origin only. So, x0, y0. No need to do any calculation. Simply you can say like this. ఎప్పుడైతే ఈక్వేషన్స్ కి కాన్స్టెంట్ మిస్ అవుతుందో, రెండు ఈక్వేషన్స్ కి కాన్స్టెంట్ మిస్ అయిపోతుందో, కాన్స్టెంట్ ఇవ్వడో, టేక్ ఇట్ గ్రాంటెడ్ దట్ both the equations are having a common solution x0, y0. Okay na? Next one. In a school there are two sections, section A, section B of class 10. There are 32 students in section A 36 students in section B. 30 to 36. Then the minimum number of books required for class library so that they can distribute it equally among the students of section A as well as section B. What to do? What we have to find? LCM. Very good. Minimum number of books annadu kada. LCM find out cheyali. So 288 is the answer. Ninth question is also A. 288 answer. Next one. Question number 10. The cards marks with numbers 2 to 90 are placed in a box and mixed thoroughly. One card is drawn at random from the box. The probability that the card drawn shows a 2-digit number. A 2-digit number. Children, can anyone say how many numbers are there in total on the cards? Or you can say how many cards are there in total? Can anyone say? How many cards are there in total? Numbers are from 2 to 19, eh? Right. 89 cards are there. Very good. Now, in that, how many cards are bearing a 2-digit number? Total 89 cards are there. Why 89? Number starts from 2 ends with 90. So total 89 cards are there because one is missing out, na? So out of these 89 cards, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 are single digit numbers. The remaining are 2-digit numbers. So 89 minus 8, 81. So 81 by 89 is the answer. 81 by 89 is the answer. Okay, na? Next question. Option B. Now, if xi are the midpoints of the class intervals of a group of data, fi are the corresponding frequencies, and x bar is the mean, then sigma of fi xi minus x bar is equal to, see here, x bar is nothing but sigma fi xi by n. I think everyone knows it. I think everyone knows it. Mean is equal to sigma fi xi by n. Okay. Now, what he is asking? Sigma of fi xi minus x bar. Okay. Now, from this what we can write? Nx bar is equal to sigma fi xi. From this equation what we can write? Nx bar is equal to sigma fi xi. Now simplify this. Sigma fi xi minus sigma x bar. Sigma fi xi minus sigma x bar. Sigma fi xi is nothing but nx bar minus, okay na? Then sigma x bar is also nothing but nx bar. Sigma x bar is also nothing but nx bar. So nx bar minus nx bar 0. Nx bar minus nx bar 0. So the answer is 0, option D. Now, question number 12. Question number 12. Very, very important sigma x bar is nothing but nx bar. అందరూ మనసులో పెట్టుకోండి. Sigma x bar is nothing but nx bar. Next, question number 12. Question number 12. There is a figure given over here. I will try to draw the figure. Yeah, this is given. What is asking about ADQ? ADQ, this one is asking. Is asking about this answer. ADQ. See, if this is 110, together these two are 70. 35, 35. Okay. Angle OAB 35, OBA 35. Okay na? Then we know angle OBQ is 90. Angle OBQ is 90. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent at their point of contact. So OBQ is nothing but 35 plus x is 90. X is 90 minus 35. Which is 55 degrees. So angle ABQ is 55 degrees. Option C. Option C. Now, question number 13. If the radius of a circle is 3.5 centimeters, then the area of quadrant of the circle, area of quadrant అనగానే theta by 360 into pi r square, theta 90, ఇంత టైం వేస్ట్ చేయమాక. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఏరియా ఆఫ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ అనగానే theta by 360 into pi r square, since it is a quadrant, angle of sector is 90. అట్లా అక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ 1/4 pi r square డైరెక్ట్ వేసుకోండి. 1/4 into 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2. 3.5 అంటే 7/2 కదా. 3.5 అంటే 7/2 నే కదా radius. So here 7 get cancelled, 2 11s, so total 77/80. 77/8, which is 9.625 centimeter square. 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72. Okay na? Next question. Question number 14. The least number that is divisible by all numbers from 1 to 10. చెప్తారా? Least number that is divisible by all numbers from 1 to 10 ఏం చేయాలి? What to calculate? What to calculate, children? Least number that is divisible by all numbers 1 to 10 is nothing but LCM of all numbers from 1 to 10. What is the LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? Can anyone say? What is the LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? I think it is 2520. 2520. So option D for Delhi. Option D. Next, 15th question. Mean 31.04. Median more. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So you get the answer 29.78. Can you hear me now? Is it okay now? Hello? Okay. So option B. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 16. Question number 16. A point P is 13 centimeters from the center of the circle. Length of the tangent drawn from P to the circle is 12 centimeters. Radius 5 centimeters. Pythagorean triplets, right? Pythagorean triplets. Question number 16. 13, 12, 5. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి ఇవి. అంటే టైం వేస్ట్ కాకుండా ఎగ్జామ్లో టైం వేస్ట్ కాకుండా ఈ పైథాగరన్ ట్రిప్లెట్స్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి మీరు. 13, 12, 5, 6, 8, 10, 3, 4, 5 ఇలా ఉంటాయి కదా. 24, 7, 25 ఆ నంబర్లు ఇచ్చిన వెంటనే చక్కగా గుర్తుపెట్టేసుకోవడం. అలా కొన్ని అట్లీస్ట్ కొన్ని పైథాగరన్ ట్రిప్లెట్స్ అన్నా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. So 5 centimeters is the answer. 16th question. Now 17th question. The value of sin square theta by 1 plus cot square theta minus cos square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. See, అబ్దేలి నువ్వు ఐడెంటిటీస్ రావన్నావు, కానీ మనం ఏం చేసాం, ఆర్ఎస్ అగర్వాల్లో ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్నింటినీ సాల్వ్ చేసాం. వీడియోస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ భయపడితే నువ్వు మ్యాథమెటిక్సే తీసుకోలేవు, ఎందుకంటే 11th 12th అంతా మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అంతా ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ మీద బేస్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా అబ్దేలి? నౌ సి sin square theta by 1 plus cot square theta is nothing but cosecant square theta minus cos square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta. Now sin square theta into 1 by cosecant square theta, cos square theta into 1 by secant square theta. Now this is also sin square theta, na? And this is also cos square theta. So what is the result? Sin square theta into sin square theta, sin power 4 theta minus cos power 4 theta. Sin square theta into sin square theta, sin power 4 theta, cos square theta into cos square theta, cos power 4 theta. Now this one, again you write sin square theta whole square, cos square theta whole square. అంటే క్వశ్చన్ ఏదో ఏ స్క్వేర్, నీకు ఆన్సర్ కనిపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఆన్సర్ sin square theta minus cos square theta. ఎందుకని a square minus b square, one is a plus b, the other one is a minus b. Now the problem is in the form of a square minus b square. So one is a plus b into a minus b kada. A plus b, a minus b. A plus b, sin square theta plus cos square theta into sin square theta minus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 into sin square theta minus cos square theta. So option is a sin square theta minus cos square theta. Write this one as a plus b into a minus b అప్పుడు నీకు అర్థమైపోతుంది. Okay children. Next. The distance of the point negative 12,5 from the origin. మీకు చెప్పాను distance of the point negative 12,5 from the origin. Direct formula ఇచ్చాను, ఎవరైనా చెప్పగలరా? What is the formula? What is the formula? Root over x square plus y square, right? Root over x square plus y square. అంటే root over negative 12 square plus 5 square. 144 plus 25. 169, 30. So distance of the point negative 12,5 from origin is 30. Now 19th question. 19th question. Assertion: the value of q plus or minus 2, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, q plus or minus 2 is the solution of 2x plus y minus q square minus 3 is equal to 0. ఇదిగా దీనికి సొల్యూషన్ ట అయితే q ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 2 అవుతుంది. అవునా కదా? చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. 2 into 2 plus 1 minus q square minus 3 is equal to 0. 5 minus 3 minus q square is equal to 0. 2 is equal to q square. q is equal to plus or minus root 2. Plus or minus root 2. కానీ వాడు ఏమిటి ఇచ్చాడు? ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ 2 అని ఇచ్చాడు q వాల్యూ. కాబట్టి assertion wrong. Assertion wrong. Reason చూద్దాం. The solution is the line that will satisfy the equation of the line. So reason correct. Assertion wrong. So option C is the right. Assertion true, reason assertion false, reason true. Option D ra, not C. Option D. Assertion false but reason true. Option D. Now 20th question. Assertion: there is no such point on x axis which is at a distance of c less than 3 from the point 2, 3. అంటే దాని అర్థం ఏంటంటే any point on x axis, let it be x, 0. The distance between 2, 3 and any point on x-axis is not less than 3. అని వాడు అని ఇస్తున్నాడు వాడు. అది ట్రూనా కదా చూద్దాం. There is no such point on x-axis which is at a distance of c which is less than 3 from the point 2, 3. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం అర్థం చేసుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే x యాక్సిస్ మీద ఏ పాయింట్ అయినా సరే 2, 3కి 3 యూనిట్స్ కంటే తక్కువ డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఉండదు. అంటే 3 కంటే ఎక్కువ డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఉంటుంది. 3 యూనిట్స్ కంటే ఎక్కువ డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఉంటుంది అని అర్థం. మీన్స్ the distance between any point on x-axis and 2, 3 is greater than 3 అని అర్థం. అది ట్రూ నా కాదా చూద్దాం. 2 minus x whole square plus 3 square square root. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి రైట్. ఇప్పుడు x ప్లేస్ లో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 0 పెట్టాము. x ప్లేస్ లో 0 పెట్టాము. ఏమవుతుంది ఇది? 2 minus 0 2 2 square 4 3 square 9 4 plus 9 13 more than 3 అవునా? కొన్ని 1 పెట్టాము. 1 minus 2 minus 1 1 1 square 1 3 square 9 1 plus 9 10 root over 10 more than 3. కొన్ని 0 2 పెట్టేసాము. if x is 2 if x is 2 2 minus 2 0 square plus 3 square 9 3 3 వచ్చింది కానీ less than 3 రాలేదు కదా. అంటే ఒకవేళ నెగటివ్ వాల్యూ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకున్నాం కదా. 2 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 3 square 2 plus 1 whole square plus 3 square అంటే 3 square plus 3 square అంటే root over 18 greater than 3 root over 18 greater than 3 అంటే x ప్లేస్ లో నువ్వు ఏ వాల్యూ తీసుకున్నా నీకు వచ్చే రిజల్ట్ ఆల్వేస్ ఈదర్ గ్రేటర్ than 3 ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3. less than 3 మటుకు రాదు. whatever the point you will take on x-axis, the distance between that point and 2, 3 is always either greater than 3 or equal to 3. కాబట్టి assertion true. assertion true. reason, the distance between 2 points మరి దానికి అదేగా. కాబట్టి ఇది ఆప్షన్ డి, ఆప్షన్ ఏ. both assertion and reason are true. reason R is the correct explanation of assertion. option A is the correct answer. అర్థమవుతుందా children? got it or not? now children, after observing all the answers of first section, kindly type your marks, how much you are going to get each one. Each and every one of you type your marks, Nana, how much you are going to get in section A. 19 by 20, that's good. 1 mark less, okay. 17 Akansha. First, only 2. 17 Manoj. Only 3 means remaining students మీరు మార్క్ చేసుకోలేదు ఆన్సర్స్. ఇదే చెప్తున్నాను కదా, చదువులో మనం రాసిన ఆన్సర్స్ మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఈశాన్ పైడా 18, నేహా 19, తేజు 15, అబ్రహం 16, శాన్వి, పూనిషా, సంపత్ గౌడ, మెనీ ఆర్ దేర్, మేఘనా. I saw that 5 people are left from the class. Vaishan 17, Tarak, Abdeli, Ajista. Tarak left from the class. Vaishan 17. Abdeli, how much you are? How much you are going to get out of 20? Tarak 14. Ajista is not there in the class. Charmi, Yashwant 18, 15. Okay, no problem. Charmi, how much you are going to get? C. You did not mark few questions. That is wrong, Charmi. Then how can you say that I improved or not? నేను ఇంప్రూవ్ అయ్యానా లేనా అని అది ఎట్లా అడుగుతున్నావు నువ్వు? చదువు మీద శ్రద్ధే ఉండట్లేదు కదా, ఎట్లా ఇంప్రూవ్ అవుతావు? నువ్వేం రాసావో ముందు నువ్వు మార్క్ చేసుకోవాలి కదా. మళ్ళీ వీడు మేబీ 15 అంటే. Now see the 21st question. 21st question is very important model. టిక్ పెట్టుకోండి అందరూ. Question number 21 చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ మోడల్. పబ్లిక్ లో బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది ఆ మోడల్. ఏమిటది చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు 1,3 ఇక్కడ అనుకున్నాం. 2,7 ఇట్లా. ఇది లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ A B. 1,3 2,7. Okay, now there is a line dividing the line segment joining the points. There is a line L whose equation is 3x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. It is intersecting AB at P. Okay, we need to find out this ratio. That is the question. Determine the ratio in which the line 3x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0 divides the line segment joining the points 1,3 and 2,7. P is the common point for both line segment as well as line L. అది మనకు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. And we need to find out the ratio. PAP is to PB. Let it be M is to N. Is x1, y1, x2, y2. Not midpoint here. Did he say that P is midpoint of AB? No. AP is to PB. AP is to PB is given as, let it be, not given. We need to find out it. Let it be M is to N. Okay, now apply the section formula. M x2 plus n x1 by m plus n. M y2 n y1 by m plus n. So 2m plus n by m plus n, 7m plus 3n by m plus n. This is our point P. These are the coordinates of P. 2m plus n by m plus n, 7m plus 3n by m plus n are the coordinates of the point P. Now, as I told you, P is the common point of the line segment AB as well as line L. It is the common point. So, it must satisfy the line also. It must satisfy the line also. That means 3x plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. Substitute x value 2m plus n by m plus n plus 7m plus 3n by m plus n minus 9 is equal to 0. It must satisfy. అంటే x value ni x place lo, y value ni y place lo insert చేయండి. Now simplify. 6m plus 3n by m plus n plus 7m plus 3n by m plus n minus 9 by 1 is equal to 0. Take LCM and simplify and tell me m by n, children. LCM is m plus n. So here what I will get? 6m plus 3n, 7m plus 3n minus 9m is equal to 0. Okay. Sigma x bar means sigma means adding. We are adding n x bars. So n x bar. Sigma x means or xi. Sigma xi means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on plus xn. Kada? Alage sigma x bar means x bar plus x bar plus x bar plus so on plus x bar n times. So it is nothing but n x bar. Okay na? So when we simplify this, 6m plus 7m, 13m minus 9m, 4m. 3n plus 3n, 6n minus 9n minus 3n is equal to 0 into m plus n. 0 into m plus n. So 4m is equal to 3n. Then m by n is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Okay na? M by n is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. So point P divides Jai Shri Ram. Point P divides AB in the ratio 3:4. Okay na? Children, this is very important model. M by n, m by n, 3 by 4, not n by m. Register. It is not n by m, m by n. M by n. Bring this n to this side and 4 to that side. Now, I think the graph question is easy. Length of AB is root over 41. Length of AB is root over 41. And the midpoint of CD is negative 5 by 2 comma 2, negative 2. Length of AB root over 41. Midpoint of CD is negative 5 by 2 comma negative 2. And area of ABD is nothing but 20 square units. 20 square units ABD area. Okay na? Next, 22nd question. 22nd question. Find 105th term of AP. 4, 9 by 2, 5, 11 by 2, 6. Okay na? First term is 4, common difference is 0.5. First term is 4, common difference is 0.5. He is asking about 0.5 తీసుకోకుండా A4 D1 by 2 తీసుకోండి. And he is asking A105. He is asking about A105. 105 is nothing but A plus 104D. 4 plus 104 into 1 by 2. 52. 56. 56. Okay, now next 23rd question. I think today's last question. 23rd question. You see, children. A R D C Q B P. These two are parallel, this is parallel. Okay, children. Now what he is asking to prove? AR by AD is equal to AQ by AB. First, consider triangle ADC. Consider triangle ADC. Okay. RP parallel to DC. RP parallel to DC. So by basic proportionality theorem, AR by AD is equal to AP by AC. Triangle ADC. Triangle ADC. AR by AD is equal to AP by AC. By basic proportionality theorem. Next, consider triangle ABC. Consider triangle ABC. Here, PR parallel to CD, and here PQ parallel to BC. Again, by basic proportionality theorem, AP by AC is equal to AQ by AB. Now observe these two. Observe these two, children. AR by AD equal to AP by BC from the first one. AP by AC is equal to AQ by AB from the second one. So from these two, what we can write? AR by AD is equal to AQ by AB. AQ by AB. In the same way, you can prove the second one also. In the same way, first consider triangle. We will see. QB by QA is equal to RP by AR. Okay. First, consider triangle ADC. Consider triangle ADC. PR parallel to DC and AR by RD. AR by RD is equal to AP by PC. Consider triangle ABC. PQ parallel to BC and AP by PC is equal to AQ by QB. Now from 1 and 2, what we can write? AR by RD is equal to AQ by QB. This is what we got. Can you answer what you invert and order? You put reverse change. Reverse it. RD by AR is equal to QB by AQ by invertendo. By invertendo. Reverse change kada. This ratio equal aithe what inverse ratios kuda equal avutayi kada. AR by RD is equal to AQ by QB, then their inverse ratios are also equal. Then DR by AR is equal to QB by AQ. That is second one. Okay na? Now next one, I think it is easy. It is given the triangle ABC similar to EDF. AB given 8, AC 9, DF 18, DE 15. Find the lengths of remaining sides of the triangle. That means the third side we need to find out. Third side. I think it is easy for you. Otherwise, I will explain it to you tomorrow. Okay, na? So join with me tomorrow again at 9 o'clock. 9, not 9, 10 o'clock. We will discuss the remaining paper tomorrow. Okay, na? Thank you very much. Dhanyavad. Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Jai Shri Ram. Only 7 likes కొట్టారు ఎవరే ఎక్కడ దొరికారు ఓన్లీ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ 7 likes అన్న కొట్టారు ఓకే నాన్న చిల్డ్రన్ లీవ్ యూ కెన్ లీవ్ నౌ యూ కెన్ లీవ్ బాయ్ ఎనీ అదర్ డౌట్స్ చిల్డ్రన్ Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Okay, bye.